I close my eyes and the image of my mom comes back to me quietly. The bluish heart is so far away. That's the star where my mother sleeps. Ah, may you rest in peace. Better look, another star is coming to the end of its life. It's burning red, about to burn out. It's like flowing through a Milky Way. Looks like flowing through a Milky Way. Your lonely smile looks a lot like my mom's. I still remember it well. Are you talking to stardust scattered across the space? You really look like my mom. Well, someday I will block the star of happiness, a burning life. That life hotly burns and shines brightly just like the sun, shining brightly just like the sun. I feel as if I'm looking at my mom. I can see the courage in my eyes. My clear blue eyes stare at you. My clear blue eyes stare at you.